swirl around there when you head.
Good sized fish, ain't it?
Yeah.
He was right next to the boat too. That's hilarious. That's a good eater size though. He's not very big. Well, we found some fish, it looks like.
Look good on finding them.
Both my poles went. He's probably got a catfish, unless it fell off. Little catfish. Oh, that's a whiting. 2 months is just catching huge drum. Now, this is actually a small one that's good to eat. They get 3 times the size of that one.
Oh yeah.
There's only 24 inches. The ones that are like 40 inches got worms. Oh, keep them off the boat. Pull that way. Oh, don't go in the trolling motor. Alright, he's going down deep. Just keep him away from that trolling motor. But hopefully there's a whole bunch of them then. They usually go in schools, so get another shrimp in there. There we go. That's a perfect size drum. There's a drum. Nice big one too. That might be a snook. That's a good fish. Oh, it's a big red. Nice. Alright. 2 good fish out of this spot. That's what we're here for. That's a 22 incher. That's a good one. The cousins are hanging out today. Black drum and red drum. Isn't it weird that they're even in the same family? They look nothing alike.
Yeah.
He swallowed it. He didn't even know he was on there, I bet. He probably swimming at you.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, these drum are fun though. This would be your limit if they are over 24.
Really?
Or keep pulling them left. You're allowed 5 per person under 24. But if he's over 24, you're only allowed 1. So we got to see if they are over slot or not.
Yeah, we're just catching fish. I don't want to take a bunch of them home again.
I mean, they're not easy to find on a cloudy day, but I know I'll find them. Perfect eater size. These are a lot of people's favorite fish. Oh man, look, he's exactly 24. That puts him in over slot. Alright, so we are over slots, so that'd be the limit on big ones. What you got on there?
It looks like the big ugly.
Big ugly. It took us a minute to get him to eat.
Yep.
Look at the size of these. These are a lot bigger than the ones you caught earlier.
I got a glimpse of him. There he is. Oh yeah, he's a good one.
You got one too? You got one, hook him. Oh, you missed him.
He's getting tired.
A good fish.
That's a good size from there, Michael.
These are still small.
Still small.
Oh yeah, they get a lot bigger than that. This is only a 33 incher. They get up to like 45. That one took off like a snook.
Really, man?
One looks much bigger. Unless you snagged him, because he took off. He looked a little fast to be a drum.
It felt like he was just nibbling on the bottom. Like, jigged it a couple times and he just took off with it.
You ever caught big drum?
Not this big. I caught a 30 incher over there in that channel right there.
There's a bunch of these big boys out here. Hundreds of them. You need to put a bigger shrimp on. That's probably why you're not getting bites.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Big uglies.
Oh, this is big.
Still a good sized fish. Okay, he's scrappy. That means he's not as wormy. Keep him off the boat. You're lucky the line didn't break.
What is that? Oh, is that the same thing?
That's all we're fishing for in here. I wanted to catch a couple and then go for triple tail. 1/16 ounce. A little bigger than the ones this morning.
Yeah. Yep. Don't want to give up.
Pretty big fish. It gets boring once you catch a bunch of them.
Yeah, it's cool for 2-3.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll grab a couple and then I go do something different. After you catch a few, it's not even as exciting. Like, oh, it's another one.
That's the same one. It's got your line behind you.
You have a red swimming at. You have a big fish on. Might even be a keeper. It is a keeper. Look at that. I'm glad we came up here now. Barely legal. This is my borderline 18. He swallowed it. He's got one. Little tiny red. I was trying not to scare them fish. There you go. That was a nice hookup. I watched you working the bait too, like he ate it perfectly. That looks a little bigger. How big is he? Is he?
Yeah, he's small.
Just don't break the rod. They smack it like the second it hits the water. Just work your shrimp a little bit, jiggle it a little bit, and then they pounce on it. Little jiggle just to bounce over the rock, and then let it sit.
Half a reel, tap a reel.
And then they hear it, and then they come looking for it.
Yeah.
There you go. There's a pile of redfish. I mean, when you think of double hookups, you don't think of 7 inchers. Why can't they be a little bigger? Is that a triple?
You got something on there? Keep your line tight.
Yeah, he's got the biggest one. Bigger than I thought. He pounced on it though, didn't he?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's a much bigger one. There must be a whole school of them around this point. He's got more color. Decent size.
Got it pretty close there.
Pretty blue tail.
Yeah.
That's from eating all that shrimp. I don't even know why they get a blue tail.
Iodine.
Yeah, that's what it is. He's not huge, but he's bigger than the little tiny ones. Well, this is like the record for the most small reds ever. This is like wintertime fishing when all you catch are dinks.
Yeah.
They school up like that in October when the water temps cool off, the little dinks pile up. Look at that sucker. You both see him? That's a good size tripletail. You better make the cast. He's facing right. Do you think we should put the trolling motor in the water so I don't scare him? Yeah, throw the trolling motor in. That's a good size one. Alright, who can make a long cast? Cast way past them and real high. Don't cast until you can go way past them. Launch it way past them and real high. Any mistakes, don't cast high. Keep your line low. Alright, launch it past them. Keep your line down. Don't let it go up in the air like that. Cast low and far. And now rip it into him. I want to see your oh, right there, coming over his back. Slow down, go real slow. He's coming for it. Keep reeling. You feel the thump? Hook him, hook him. I thought he had it. Did he thump it? That's a big one too. Just cast out there again and reel. Hopefully he comes back up. He's gonna be looking for your shrimp. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Reel, 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 reel. Oh, you hit him. Scared him. Oh, he's right there in front of you. An easy one. $11 o'clock. Launch it. Keep it high, keep it high, keep it high. That was first tripletail. Sight casted. Cool fish.
Cool fish. Is that a keeper?
Nope. Big fishy on. Well, you couldn't catch one earlier, now you catch the first one. That one's way bigger. That one's way bigger than the ones we caught earlier.
Yeah, it's a good one.
That's a big one. Yeah. Come out and catch some big old drum.
She's got to work.
Look at them all on the top right here.
I know, they've been there.
Oh my god, look at them all. You ever seen a drum school like that?
No.
This is nuts. This is how it's been for 2 months. People don't believe me until I can actually show them. But some days they're not on top like this. When you can see them, it just makes it obvious. Look at that swirl.
Well, they were.
I like that cork idea though. It just drifts right into the school.
And what was it, Labor Day, I seen you out here.
Look at them all right there. They're not eating yours? Just keep him off the boat when he gets close. He's gotta be tired now.
Oh yeah.
You gotta keep them coming in. You stopped them. You gotta drag them in fast so I can net them. You gotta just rip them in. No.
That was a big one there.
Not even that big. That's not a big one.
No?
It's still only a 33.
Biggest one I've caught. Yep.
Yeah, they get a lot bigger in that school than this.
You was catching them all.
I'll revive them. Come on. Oh, she was ready. Pile of them under the boat. Good lord. They're on both sides of the side scan and under the boat. Another black drum. Not very exciting of a fight. It's just, that's why I try to yank him in as fast as I can. That's the only way to make it fun. I try to like make it a 10-second fight. Fight back a little bit.
Yeah.
Otherwise you'll be there all day long trying to fight them slowly. The stronger the current, the harder they fight. They have a pretty relaxed current right now. He didn't want to go in the net. They ain't small, that's for sure.
Nope.
A little bit more exciting than those 12-inch redfish. So you gotta grab the reel when you lift. You're just losing line.
You say grab the reel to my hair?
Yeah, one finger on the reel when you lift. Well, I do it with my left hand. There you go. That way you don't lose line. And get them in a little faster. That's a red!
Oh, that's nice.
You got it.
That's good.
Big boy redfish. He's too big. They can only be up to 27. But we already had our limit, so it's perfect. Beautiful redfish. That's a 29-inch fish.
It's amazing how much big.
Oh, big girl. Well, now you caught big drum and big redfish. 29-incher. What's the biggest red you've caught?
26 and a half.